What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at a rear window for a Yamaha RMAX 1000, and this is the two-door version here, as you can see. So this RMAX came from the dealer with a front windshield already installed, but it does not have a rear window, and when you have that set up, it'll create a vacuum and suck more dirt in behind it. So we picked up a rear window off Amazon. SuperATV is the manufacturer, and I'll put a link to this in the description box of this video to where you can purchase this window. So it came to us shipped in this box, and the manufacturer, SuperATV, they actually already have a video on the install that I'll link in the description box as well, but I'm going to use that video to install it, and then I'll check back in after I get it on there. So got the window on. The install is a little bit of a pain. There's quite a few different parts. If you have somebody that can give you a hand to do it, it would probably be a lot easier. You can see all the different screws that have to be attached, and there's a few different panels. The video itself, the install video, it was good. It'll give you everything you need to know. They claim about an hour for install. I think that's going to take most people more like 2 or 3 hours if you're doing it by yourself. So that's a little bit tougher than they claim. But overall, I think it looks great. It's got a little bit of a tint to it, which I like. So other than the install, the only other negative I can see is it seems like it's going to scratch fairly easy. I already have a few light scratches on there you can't really see on camera, but just from installing it. But yeah, I think it looks great. We'll take it out and run it in some dirt and see how it works out there. So we've been out here running it in the dirt a little bit, and it definitely helps to prevent it from sucking in a little bit of dirt. Obviously, if I had side windows, that would help even more, but it's definitely better than just running a front windshield. And again, I think it looks great. The tints on there is really nice. I was in a stretch where the sun was at my back, and it's nice to deflect that a little bit. So my overall review is, I would say it's definitely worth the money. At the time of filming, this was about $240. It was definitely one of the more cheaper options. So looks good. The install is a bit of a pain. It seems like it might scratch kind of easy, but we'll have to see long term. But overall, I'm very happy with it.